As the name suggests, iron deficiency anemia is caused by insufficient iron. Without enough iron, your body is not able to produce enough of a substance in red blood cells that enables them to carry oxygen, hemoglobin. As a result, iron deficiency will have many side effects on your overall health. It can be the main cause of some cancers. So, it is very important to be aware of iron deficiency symptoms to treat them as soon as possible. In this video on Pars Health TV channel, we've come up with 10 signs of iron deficiency that you shouldn't miss. So, stay tuned with us until the end. In some cases, the person may not show any symptoms. However, most people who suffer from iron deficiency anemia show one of the following 10 symptoms. Number 10. Abnormal fatigue. Feeling extremely tired for no reason is one of the most common symptoms of iron deficiency anemia. This fatigue is due to the lack of iron to produce hemoglobin and provide oxygen to the cells of body parts. Without enough hemoglobin, the blood supply and the oxygen reaching your tissues and muscles will decrease, and they will not be able to produce enough energy. In addition, your heart has to make more efforts to deliver oxygen to the body's tissues and blood supply to them, which also causes excessive fatigue. Since many people consider fatigue a part of their normal and daily life, it is difficult to distinguish between normal fatigue and anemia fatigue. Number 9. Paleness. Paleness and turning white of the color of the inner part of the lower eyelid is another symptom of anemia and iron deficiency. Hemoglobin causes red blood cells, and as a result of decreasing hemoglobin and decreasing blood cells, it causes skin reddening. This paleness in people suffering from anemia can be in a specific area, or it can happen in all body parts, including the inside of the lips or the inside of the eyelid and the bottom of the nails. This paleness is one of the first things that is checked after visiting a doctor, and its certainty is determined by a blood test. Paleness is seen in moderate and severe cases of anemia. Number 8. Shortness of breath. Hemoglobin transports oxygen throughout the body. When your hemoglobin level decreases as a result of iron deficiency, eventually, your blood oxygen level also decreases. This means that your body's cells, including the muscles, do not receive enough oxygen to perform daily tasks such as walking. As a result, you have to breathe faster to supply the oxygen your body needs, and you experience shortness of breath. Number 7. Headache and dizziness. Headache and dizziness are other symptoms of anemia that are more common in women. However, this symptom is less common than others and is seen as mild dizziness. The relationship between headache and anemia is still unclear and remains undiscovered. One of the reasons stated for the occurrence of headaches is that due to the lack of oxygen for the brain cells, the blood vessels expand to increase the blood flow in that area. Consequently, pressure is applied to the brain tissue and causes a headache. Number 6. Heart palpitations. Increased heart rate or palpitations is another symptom of iron deficiency. The relationship between low iron, anemia, and heart palpitations is still under study. Still, one of the most major causes is the issue of oxygen and its lack in body tissues. When the hemoglobin decreases and as a result, the oxygen supply decreases, the heart has to increase its activity to supply oxygen to the body and supply more blood to the tissues. This issue makes you feel that your heart is working more than usual. In severe cases, this issue and not treating anemia can cause heart enlargement or even heart failure. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell. Now, let's dive right into the number 5 on our list. Number 5. Dry and damaged skin. Dry and damaged skin and hair can also signify iron deficiency. Anemia reduces the supply of oxygen to the cells that cause hair growth. When oxygen does not reach the hair and skin cells, they become weak and fragile. On the other hand, when oxygen does not reach the hair root cells, these cells reduce their activity and thus cause hair loss. Number 4. Tongue swelling and mouth pain. Sometimes a look inside your mouth can tell you if you have anemia or not. Symptoms such as swelling of the tongue, inflammation, paleness, or flattening of the tongue can be a sign of iron deficiency in your body. Iron deficiency can also cause other symptoms, including dry mouth, burning sensation in the mouth. Number 3. Restless leg syndrome. Iron deficiency is also related to the occurrence of restless leg syndrome. Restless leg syndrome is the sudden movement of the leg at rest, which can be uncomfortable. This issue, especially at bedtime, can disrupt a person's sleep and rest. The main cause of restless leg syndrome is still unknown, but anemia can be one of its causes. 25% of people who have anemia have restless leg syndrome. Number 2. Spoon-shaped nail. One of the symptoms of iron deficiency and anemia, which may be less common than other symptoms, is spoon-shaped nails. In this case, the front of the nail turns upwards and becomes spoon-shaped. In severe cases, the edges of the nail turn up, and the middle becomes hollow, which is why it is called a spoon-shaped nail. Of course, this issue is not very common and occurs only in about 5% of people and is seen in severe cases of anemia. Number 1. Other symptoms of iron deficiency. Some other symptoms can signify that the level of iron in your body is low. However, these signs can occur with many other causes and are not only limited to iron deficiency. Craving for strange foods. One of the symptoms that can be a sign of anemia is the desire to consume strange foods such as ice, dirt, chalk, paper, etc. Feeling depressed. Iron deficiency anemia is related to depression in adults. Pregnant women who suffer from iron deficiency anemia are more exposed to postpartum depression. Cold hands and feet. Anemia means reduced blood supply to the organs, especially the body's extremities. As a result, anemic people may feel unusually cold in their hands and feet, especially in winter. Reduction in the strength of the immune system and frequent disease. Since the presence of iron is necessary for the proper functioning of the immune system, its deficiency can cause a decrease in the strength of the immune system. Iron deficiency anemia is the most common type of anemia worldwide. Some people have obvious symptoms, while others experience none at all. These symptoms often depend on the severity of the anemia. Share your ideas and experiences about iron deficiency with us in the comment section below. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Looking for more amazing videos? Check out the videos popping up on the right and the left of your screen.